Suot ang isang blue suit at tie, humarap ang 79-year-old na si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa unang pagkakataon sa pre-trial chamber ng International Criminal Court o ICC sa The Hague, Netherlands sa kasong Crimes Against Humanity, March 14, araw ng Biyernes. Pinayagan ng ICC pre-trial chamber na makadalo ito sa initial appearance sa pamamagitan ng isang video conference mula sa ICC Detention Center, bunsod ng pinanggalingang mahabang biyahe. Ginawa ang initial appearance 2 araw matapos itong isuko ng Philippine government sa ICC noong March 12. Layo ng ICC procedure na beripikahin ang pagkakakilanlan ni Duterte bilang defendant. Ipaalam sa kanya ang mga karapatan sa ilalim ng Rome Statute o Founding Treaty ng ICC at kasong isinampa laban sa kanya. Ang initial appearance ay hindi pa simula ng isang trial o paglilitis.
Ang Rodrigo Duterte. That's my first middle name is Roa. The surname is Duterte. Birth month day is March 28, 1945. I was born in the province of Leyte in the Philippines.
Binasa sa pre-trial chamber ang kasong inihain laban sa dating Pangulo. Partikular na ang crimes against humanity dahil sa pagpapatay umano sa hindi bababa sa 43 individual. 19 dito ay sa pamamagitan umano ng Davao Death Squad o DDS nung siya ay Davao City Mayor pa. 24 naman ang nakaupo itong Pangulo ng Pilipinas sa ilalim ng anti-drug war nito.
On 7 March 2025, Pre-trial Chamber 1 concluded that there were reasonable grounds to believe that Mr. Duterte is criminally responsible pursuant to Article 25(3)(a) of the Rome Statute as an alleged indirect co-perpetrator for the crime against humanity of murder pursuant to Article 7(1)(a) of the statute as follows. A. Murder of at least 19 persons, allegedly drug pushers or thieves, killed by members of the Davao Death Squad in various locations in or around Davao City, Philippines between 2011 and 2016. B. Murder of at least 24 persons, allegedly criminals, such as drug pushers or thieves, or drug users, killed by or under the supervision of members of the Philippines law enforcement, sometimes with the assistance of persons who were not part of the police, at various locations in the Philippines between 2016 and 2019.
Samantala, binigyan naman ng pagkakataon si Attorney Salvador Medaldea, counsel ni Duterte para sa initial appearance hearing na mabanggit ang manifestasyon ng kampo nito, kabilang na ang paraan ng pag-aresto ni Duterte sa Pilipinas.
2 days ago, the whole world has witnessed the degrading fashion in which a former president of a sovereign country was bundled into a private aircraft and summarily transported to The Hague. To us lawyers, this would be called an extrajudicial rendition. To the less legally inclined, it was a pure and simple kidnapping. My client was denied all access to the legal recourse in the country of his citizenship, and this all in the nature of political score settling.
Inihayag din nito ang kalagayan ng kalusugan ng kanyang kliyente.
Given the precipitous arrival of my client, an elderly man with debilitating medical issues, hard of hearing and poor of sight, he was taken to a hospital for observation. Other than to identify himself, my client is not able to contribute anything to this hearing.
Subalit giit ng presiding judge ng pre-trial chamber na si Judge Yulia Motok, nasuri ang kalagayan ni Duterte nang dalhin sa ICC.
And I note that subsequent to his arrest and when he arrived at the detention centre, the court's doctor was of the opinion that you were fully mentally aware and fit, and that you have undergone further checks and tests at the detention facility.
Kaugnay naman ng ibang punto ng kampo ni Duterte, kabilang na ang aligasyon ng paglabag sa karapatan nito ng arestuhin ang pahayag ng presiding judge.
There will be a full procedure that will unfurl leading up to the confirmation of charges that will enable Mr. Duterte to raise all the matters that you have just raised with regard to the warrant of arrest, with regard to the crimes committed, with regards to the charges, and any other matters associated with his arrest, and the matters of jurisdiction of the court. You have the opportunity to do this throughout these proceedings leading up to the actual confirmation of charges hearing.
Sa September 23, 2025, inisyal na itinakda ang confirmation of charges hearing ni Duterte kung saan tutukuyin kung sapat ba ang ebidensya ng prosecution upang maisagawa ang isang paglilitis o trial sa kaso. Dito maaaring hamunin ng kampo ni Duterte ang mga paratang ng prosecution laban sa kanya. Sakali namang magkaroon ng trial, posibleng abutin ng pagdinig ng ilan pang taon. Rosalie Coz, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.